Protein is made up of smaller units called amino acids and is essential for repairing damaged cells and building new ones. It's essential in the building of tissues, muscles, and bones, so it's important to make sure your body has what it needs. On average, guidelines suggest men should aim to eat around 55 grams of protein a day and women should aim for around 45 grams of protein daily. Let's discuss how you can meet your daily needs. Dairy products. Dairy products are packed full of calcium and protein, which are both essential as part of a healthy diet. 100 grams of cow's milk contains around 3 grams of protein, while 100 grams of cheddar cheese contains around 25 grams of protein. Choose reduced fat options if you are concerned about saturated fat and calories. Vegan options include nut milks, such as hazelnut or almond milk, but be aware that shop-bought versions contain very low levels of protein. Soya milk is more comparable with dairy in terms of protein content. A spoonful of Greek yogurt is also a great way to add in protein, with around 6 grams for every 100 grams of yogurt. Soybeans. Soy protein is a very versatile ingredient and can be turned into many different delicious forms. Tofu, for example, is made from the curds of soy milk and can be great when bulking out veggie stir-fries or salads. 100 grams of firm tofu contains around 8 grams of protein. Soya beans themselves can be eaten alone or turned into soy milk. Miso, or tempeh. Per 100 grams, soya beans contain around 15 grams of protein. Although plant and animal proteins are digested in different ways by our bodies, soya is a great veggie substitute for meat and is decidedly adaptable. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a handy, snackable form of protein and essential fats. There are certain types that are particularly protein-rich. Almonds, cashews, chia seeds and flax seeds are all popular protein options. A 30 grams portion of almonds contains around 6 grams of protein and will see you through the afternoon slump. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also packed with iron, zinc, omega-3 and calcium, as well as lots of antioxidants. Quinoa. Quinoa is arguably one of the greatest protein and carbohydrate sources for vegetarians and vegans. Its couscous-like consistency makes it highly versatile for use in salads, casseroles, and even breakfast bowl recipes. Quinoa is also high in iron, fiber, and magnesium, which makes it the perfect whole food. Lentils. Each cup of lentils contains about 18 grams of protein, making it an excellent source of vegetarian protein. In addition to protein, lentils also contain a good quantity of fiber which can help maintain healthy bacteria within the gut. There is some understanding that regular consumption of lentils may also reduce the risk of developing heart disease and cancer. Oats. There is no doubt that oats are superfoods. Not only are they high in protein, but they are a powerhouse of soluble fiber and clinically proven to help reduce the risk of developing heart disease and to lower cholesterol. A small cup of oats can provide you with nearly 6 grams of protein. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, owing to their high fiber content and low glycemic index. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are highly versatile legumes, packing essential amino acids with a high protein content. Chickpeas and other legumes have calcium, magnesium, fiber, and other nutrients. They also have choline, a nutrient that helps make important chemicals for memory, mood, muscle control, and other brain and nervous system activity. Chickpeas contain 19 grams protein per 100 grams serving. Peas. Great tasting, one of your fruit and veg additions and low in calories. They don't have as much protein as some of the other items on the list, but for a vegetable, they have excellent macronutrient ratios. Peas contain 1.8 grams of protein per 100 grams serving. If you like the video, share it with someone, and subscribe to The Keen for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.